here at the local nature preserve on the rock bar in the river. Thought it'd be a good time to do a quick dump of what is in my Hill People Gear medium SAR kit bag. On the front, I've got a Maxpedition. It is the PLP pouch. I've got a Exodus knife and tool, Adventure Craft, which is made by White River Knife and Tool, and I've just got it zip tied to the MOLLE webbing on the front. Phoenix pouch, my Bushcraft Kelso pouch, and then I guess before we go inside of it, I've got a VanQuest tourniquet holder. I've got a Cat Gen 7, shears, pack of combat galls, quick clock galls, and then gloves and a Sharpie. So front pocket here, got a small pack of little zip ties. I've got my ferro rod, a Duraflame fire starting cube. These are really nice. They burn really hot. They light really easily. I just carry one of those in the front pocket to have. Small tape measure, spare GoPro battery. On a breakaway chain here, I've got a Phoenix EO3R light and a Tops whistle. Washer left over from working on the roof the other weekend. Currently my bike keys, because I rode the bike out here. A little SE notepad, and then fingernail clippers. That is everything in the front pocket here. Slide this right down in here. And there is in the SAR bag, you've got big pocket, and then you've got two little slip pockets inside. Some of the stuff I do put in the slip pockets, other stuff I do not. I just kind of let it float so that it will kind of fill in any nooks and crannies that are formed by what are in the main compartment of the bag, which we will get into that now. Normally I also have a liquid IV pack in there. I need to put a new one back in. But unzip it here, and then we've got on the back panel, I've got a VanQuest organizer pouch. I believe it's the 5x7, but I've got USB-C. There's usually a micro USB as well, but it's charging my intercom on the bike right at the moment. Carmex, a pocket bellow, Bic, I'm sorry, and then in here is a small pack of gauze and then just some bandages, some normal band-aids. I got an Anchor 5000 milliamp power bank. I've got my Phoenix HM65 RT headlamp, more assorted bandages, a ETD, and a pack of chest seals, and then I've got a spare mag for my CZ457 and my M&P compact. And then I've got a power block as well, so I can recharge from 110. And I do stage the zippers. So the main compartment, I will tuck this one in and leave this one here easy to get to, so that it is opposite of the back compartment, which has my M&P 2.0 compact with the Streamlight TLR 7A on it, and this is just a VanQuest elastic universal holster. But I really like this kit bag. I use it all the time. I wear it when I'm on the bike. I wear it hiking. It's also become just my EDC bag in general that rides in the truck back and forth in and out of work, the house, what have you. It works really well for that. Now I will say one thing I have done on it is I took and added some tri-glides onto the straps to keep the slack up, and one, it keeps the ends of the strap better retained in the elastic loops that come with it, and two, it keeps it in adjustment better. I was constantly fighting, especially with the side chest straps here, with them constantly wanting to loosen up, and every time I'd have to put it on, I'd have to tighten it back up, I'd have to reposition it. It's very annoying. So I ordered these. I just got them off of Amazon. think it was like $6 for a pack of 12 maybe. But I put 2 on the chest because they're were constantly loosening and sliding, and then I just put 1 on the shoulder, 1 on each shoulder, and that's been fine. I did have to stop and readjust today, but that's the first time I've had to do it now since I put these on. I guess it's been probably 3 weeks now, give or take, since I've had them on, and that's the first time I've actually had to stop and readjust them. Before, I was having to readjust them just about every time. So just something to keep in mind you may want to do. But that's my kit bag loadout. I'm really happy with the bag. Good quality. Some people might find them a little pricey, but realistically, this bag has got enough stuff in it to sustain me for just about anything I go and do. If I'm out on the farm, working, whatever, I'll toss this on and I've got most of my stuff. If I just want to build, for the kids and I just want to build a little campfire in the backyard to cook marshmallows or hot dogs on, it's perfect for that. But I've seen a lot of people load these out to where it is a full, you know, wouldn't be the most comfortable, but as a full overnight survival kit, if minimalist kit, if you wanted to go that route. But I also carry a backpack still as well, which I'll go over at a later date once I fine tune it set up. So, but that's it. The Hill People Gear medium SAR kit bag. Thanks, guys.